FUJI Elevator. 30 years of exquisite technological experience. Achieving model of superior quality. FUJI Passenger Elevator. Non-contact sensor replaces traditional touch switch, which is safer and more reliable. Maximize opening distance based on size of well and civil engineering. High design of lift car to create brand new comfortable space. Integrated maneuvering box. Humanistic braille button. Integrated ceiling assembling structure coordinated with energy-saving, highly efficient LED lamp. Installation without bottom case. Improving overall intelligent beauty of construction. Manifesting rhythm and fashion. The ceiling and bottom of lift car adopt solderless rivet pressing technology, disposed by zinc coating, which is corrosion resistance in surface, improving service life. At the meantime, in order to make further improvement about visual beauty, decorative style inside wall of lift car is specially added for selection by clients. Adopt the most advanced permanent magnetic gearless inner rotor tractor with lower noise than common tractor, with more energy saved. Subtitle: reduce 20 decibel of noise with energy conservation rate reaching 40%. Strong power performances, perfect operation quality. Integrated sufficiently coaxial transmission technology. Digital frequency conversion and group computer control technology. New generation of intelligent vector integrated control system covers distance control, direct stopping, CAN bus communication technology, multiple CPU operation technology, which is perfect combination of contemporary engineering control technology, communication technology, and traditional elevator. FUJI Elevator applies advanced BVVF technology and frequency conversion control technology into elevator door motor system to ensure smooth opening and closing of door. Monitor load changes of door in each floor with moment of force, guaranteeing automatic opening of door. Coordinate with flexible and sensitive infrared curtain for safe entrance. In the meantime, add moment a protective device of dual guarantee to prevent pressing and improve safe performance. Adopt advanced sensor and make real-time feedback signal, realizing accurate leveling on the millimeter level. Speed governor, safety tongs, bumper, 3 major safety parts link with each other, achieving perfect and reliable security system. Green energy feedback technology transfers operation potential energy into electrical energy to feedback power grid for use of surrounding electrics, with comprehensive energy saving reaching 50%. Selectable group control management system makes elevator group optimize elevator adjustment automatically, in order to avoid repetitive stopping of elevator. FUJI Passenger Elevator Control System follows up sufficiently standard of electromagnetic compatibility, eliminates electromagnetic pollution. Electromagnetic immunity is certified by European Union, efficiently avoiding electromagnetic disturbance among all kinds of precise electrical equipment and elevator signal in the building. Adopt advanced remote monitoring technology in Internet of Things to make effective information and data collection exchange. FUJI Elevator makes researchers and develops high-speed safe microcontrol auto-selected elevator, which is awarded with honor of competitive manufacturing in Zhejiang. In the meantime, it makes researches and develops first solar photovoltaic power generation system, filling up blank of domestic solar power elevator. Make elevator with comprehensive strength with leading technology and service. FUJI Elevator.